Kumusta? Kumusta live stream? Neighbors World Tour live from Dubai!
Welcome mag-ano.
Kumusta?
Whoa!
Okay. Anyway. What did you do today?
Ikaw pa rin pala ang hanap-hanap para.
We went to a gold shop. We went to a gold shop. We went to a gold shop.
Yeah.
Did you buy, Jo?
Yep.
I bought 2 earrings and 2 necklaces for my mom. I bought 2 earrings and 2 necklaces for my mom and dad. Hey, what for you?
Wow.
Why is she sad?
How about
sa nanay ko. Dalawang earrings, dalawang ate. Hindi sila mag-go sa nanay ko. Ate.
Wow.
Dalawang
naman bumili ako all for myself because
Ayun, suot mo.
yeah, this one and this one.
Earrings and necklace and a separate design of ring.
I'm wearing it. This one.
Aww.
I'm wearing it. This one.
Aww.
For the ring, not this. This is fake. For the ring, not this. This is fake. And then this one.
Ano to?
Oh, hindi. I bought this for myself. Back in Manila. Okay. Hindi na ako yun.
Uy, nakatapat sa'yo yung mic. Kalma.
No, necklace lang tsaka ano chain. No, necklace lang tsaka ano chain. Yung sa atin, hindi yun mousse. Ice cream yun.
What do you think is
Hindi ko alam.
Yun sa cake.
this thing? Oh, so
Kasi yung texture niya hindi mousse eh.
gusto ko to.
Hindi siya thick.
DJ Mousse.
Para siyang natunaw na ice cream.
Ayun, dami namin kinain.
Super sarap.
Punong-puno yung tiyan namin. Si Ate Ayan di kinaya.